What is happening, guys? So I'm just waking up. I watched the news and I saw train derailment again. This time it happened in the West Virginia area. So I'm just trying to recap. Forgive me if I don't get everything, all the names of the places correctly, but I think the second one happened in Springfield. First one happened in East Palestine, West Virginia. Okay, so now I got it. This is all happening in America. I'm Canadian. I don't live in America, but I know what's going on. I'm just boiling up the kettle, my cheap kettle with the lid that can't even close. I gotta do this so the lid will stay shut, because I'm saving my money. It's what I gotta do, my friends. And well, you know, I've been in this basement for a pretty long time. I didn't expect to stay here as long as I did, but oh well. Anyway, I was following Mr. Sunshine Baby. He was talking about things that are happening in other countries right now. I mean, like, I know that this is historical, but I mean, I can't find myself to have the energy to give a shit right now because everything is all happening at once. My grandmother just called me 2 hours ago. I don't even know what's going on. God forbid, you know, and she never calls unless it's something really important. So I gotta think about that. I'm not gonna be editing any videos today. I have no one really to please anyways, but in this situation, I would just recommend people, they just do this. They take time away from YouTube and social media in general because it's not good, it's not healthy. You need to find good people offline. Maybe go out to the mall or something, talk to strangers, you know. Do what the main character does in the RPG, talk to random people and see what's the word, you know. Learn something, damn it. Don't. And yes, I know what ChatGTP is. Am I going to use it? It would be like, okay, I would probably be using it as a crutch, but artists, like, I'm worried about the future of, like, creative types. Are they going to start relying on artificial intelligence to get something done? I mean, when they can't figure out how to do it themselves, this is going to be the downfall of society. Not war, not our stupid prime minister, not idiot politicians. I think this could actually be the thing that sets humanity at a disadvantage, because I don't want to say too much really in this video. My mind is all over the place. Last night I actually had a dream last night about, I shouldn't really say too much. I gotta choose my words carefully. You know that movie Idiocracy? It's kind of like that, you know, like society as a whole is kind of gonna get a little bit more stupid. Oh yeah, we're getting forward in technology. We're moving forward in that, but I think that's gonna come at a price. I think people are just gonna be more and more reliant on technology. I mean, let's face it, we have an entire generation of kids who are illiterate. They can't even spell. You know, a lot of stupid people on social media. I think that's the reason why I probably intimidate some people, because I've been trying to talk to certain groups and I don't really see much. Like, there's just nothing going on, you know. The lights are on, but there's no one upstairs, you know what I mean? Like, or maybe I've just been drinking too much caffeine, I don't know. But I have met a few good people who were really sharp. Super sharp. They didn't need coffee. They didn't need no chat GTP. Back in my day, we used to. Am I gonna be one of those guys? Oh God. Be like on a street corner holding a sign, like, please donate. Starving artist out of work. That'll be the day. Actually, well, if I'm not careful, I might already be on that path. Yeah, and this is what I have to say for the kids out there who are like working and stuff. Don't rely on ChatGPT, or, I mean, we have Google, but I mean, we still have to put in the work. We have to figure out our own problems. You know, how do you know the answers if you don't even have questions? That's what I'm saying. And we still have to do a lot on our behalf. We don't rely on anything. We don't rely on the algorithm or Google or any artificial intelligence to decide what we should do. And this is what I feel the need to say today without having to make a long, big video, which will take me hours. Maybe not too long, but I mean, maybe I'll do a compilation video of something. But I mean, at the same time, like, there's other stories happening. I gotta take time away from all that, because you know what, it does put a lot of strain on my mental health. I still have to take care of my own issues. Like, I'm just living day to day, week to week. Who really cares, right? And with the censorship that's been going on, Justin Trudeau and all these other guys, they've been giving money to war, financing war in Ukraine, and helping people in foreign countries. Us Canadians, we need support. We need help, which we're not getting. You know, we're just getting by, and it's not good. I don't think our Prime Minister really cares about Canadians, but that's what I have to focus on later. I gotta talk about that. I would tell people to go follow Mr. Sunshine Baby to get the scoop, but he's more of an entertainer. But he has actually done some good work with sharing the news. But yeah, I would recommend people, they take time and they just go have an adventure. Don't leave your channels blank. Do something, damn it. Don't waste a day. Do something to challenge yourself, and then you'll look back with no regrets. You know, you could talk to your family maybe today. My grandmother, she called me. I don't know why, but it could have been anything. I have to go talk to her, and that's what I got to do. So if people, they have anything like that they feel like they need to get done, like maybe it's time to talk to your family and friends, and you know, tell them how much you appreciate them, because you never know when it might be the last time, you know. So in summary, I just say, please, whatever you're going to be doing, when you're out there, do the best you can. Go out, find good people to talk to. Don't waste your money. Help other people if you can. And if you're well-to-do, I would go share that link that I just shared in my other video. Times and Signs of Us, they live out in Ohio, and I know a lot of other people, they need help too. So if you can, help support other people in ways you can. And if you can, just try and give people some good advice, or direct them to where they need to be, you know, because some people are going out there, they're trying to hustle, you know. This is hustle culture. We got to do what we can, some of us. And there's a lot of things that, you know, we can't take for granted anymore, like human interaction. Some of us don't have that. Could be days or weeks before some of us get to, you know, socialize, get that opportunity. Today is Friday. It's just gonna be another day. So I gotta make the most of it. Anyway, so please be safe. Stock up your fridges, and yeah, just don't do anything, like don't spend a little too much money on something that you don't need. Get the basics, and then from there on, yeah, take care of your friends and family and help people out. Yeah. And I'll be back later. I just gotta take time, grab a coffee, maybe some cereal, and eat my breakfast at 2 p.m. Go have a walk. Go to the mall. Maybe I'll see if I can talk to some people way out there. It's gonna be a long walk, so I got work to do. That's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, and I'll see you next time. Peace.